Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haduk laispa san pesan ngut ki Samla ya kai Taekwondo na ki skol prepare bakentup naduk ki heb barit haduk ki bala Samla ki lawan Ïashim Bynta hak lempung ya kai Taekwondo ka ba arsngi ya ka bala tip kum ka first Surju Tamang Memorial Taekwondo Championship bala penlong da ka self defense martial arts training center Halaban Indo Stadium Shillong hakasau bat santarik ujemang arjar khat kendai. Hagani kelumpung yelekai la pihak haduk santali ki kerdan bala sedang naduk ke kerdan infant, ke kerdan sub junior, cadet junior, ke kerdan senior jong ki kentai bat ki shenrang. Kinong Ïashim Bynta hagani kelumpung yelekai ki deitang napok ke jela Meghalaya. Ka Batisi TV kalau yoru bani keren bot Taekwondo Academy Grandmaster jong ke Korean Cultural Center Embassy jong ke Republic of Korea Wan Yong Lee. Bat ya ke Pinky Nazari ka badai ke third Dan Black Belt Cookie Won ka balong ke General Secretary jong ke Self Defense Martial Arts Training Center.
India also good talent. I saw last year they are going some Open International Championship time. Many Indian athletics get medals. So I hope next India also can get Asian Game gold medal and Olympic also gold medal. I think near 2020 Tokyo Olympic. That time also I hope some Indian Taekwondo player some participation there. Why I'm come here? I'm some teaching Taekwondo in India. So our government also too much push. Last time our government also 2018 for Jakarta Asian Game time 14 lakhs support. So yeah, little bit some politics in federation, but we no have result good. Last time Asia Taekwondo Championship, India team ranking 7, girls team ranking 9. This also no low some ranking. So I think this year we some Tokyo Olympic also some participation.
We have organized this championship as a memorial of Surju Tamang. He was one of the senior most master before, and now he is no more. So we have organized this for Surju Tamang Memorial Taekwondo Championships. In Meghalaya, we are individuals. We don't want to fight with anyone. We are not associated with any associations over here in Meghalaya. We are associated with the Korean Culture Center. And we have invited our grandmaster, Master Won Young Lee. He is a 7th and black belt, just to show him and just to show him that we are doing for the development Taekwondo in Meghalaya. So we want them to learn more about Taekwondo so that they can participate in Olympic national level and bring glory for the Meghalaya. And we are planning to organize again in next year, that is national level. Hope if we'll get success in this tournament, we will surely do that.